Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with a Saturday morning makes. Actually, I did it yesterday and I'm filming it today. um, it is a St. Patrick's Day card for my family this year. Um, and Saturday Morning Makes is hosted by Jill Norwood. And I'll have her link down below if you want to check out everybody's creations that they've created every Saturday since last year, I believe. Yeah, it's been going on for a while and it's amazing. Everybody has their own take, and it's just a way of sharing, like Jill would say, art and our creations um, and what we're doing. So let me share the things that I used for my card. I used this. It's a shamrock, Tereese shamrock embossing folder I've had in my stash forever. I've used the Tim Holtz shamrock emboss and cut die, which is awesome. This thing cuts great. What else? I used some cording from Target. I also used this punch for the inside of my card. I was going to use this twine from Hobby Lobby, but I didn't have to. And I used this stamp from, it's not focusing. There we go, from Stampin' Up. I think it's from the mini sentiment. So I use this stamp set all the time. And then I used, this is an old stamp pad from Stampin' Up. I had the entire set at one point, and I don't need any more ink pads because I have this, all 4 sets I think they had at one time or another. So here is my card. I don't know if you can see the emboss. There it is. You can see the embossing in the back. There's the cording. Love this 4-leaf shamrock. And I used a banner. Oh, and I forgot. To do the banner, I used the Stampin' Up! Banner punch that it is so great to have because you can make anything, any width, a banner, or yeah, a banner or pennant, whatever you want to call it. I added some bling, and then in the inside, there's the little ones, the little shamrocks punch that I used, and I just love how this cording is just so perfect for the card. So that's my card for this Saturday morning. I know that I had posted yesterday on Instagram of my Saturday morning makes for Instagram. So if you want to see more things on my Insta, I do post more on my Instagram than on my Facebook page. Um, so thanks everybody for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.